Down where the harbor met the evening train, street lights shimmer through the window panes. Your coat caught gold from a theater sign, and the whole downtown fell to yours and mine. We passed old cafes dressed in light, past laughing strangers in the Friday night, and every corner we wandered through felt like a song. The moment I found you, oh, I still hear the sound of your footsteps on that downtown ground, and I still see those stars above.